The fathead minnow. Geographically found in many parts of North America and continue to be discovered in new locations as a result of being released into the wild by negligent fishermen emptying their bait buckets. The most popular strain of the fathead minnow is the rosy-red minnow, also named rosy-red barbs, pink minnows, gold or golden minnows, or simply rosy reds. You will often find them in an overcrowded tank beside the common goldfish tank at your local pet store. As you can see, the fathead minnow is a slender fish, olive gray in color, with a dark stripe extending along the back and side and a light colored belly. The fathead minnow have a high tolerance for multiple environmental conditions. They can survive in turbid, low oxygen waters and can be found in ponds, small lakes, and wetland regions, as well as larger bodies of water. Minnows and others relative to its species produce a chemical which acts as a biological distress signal called Schreckstoff, named after Austrian ethologist Karl von Frisch, who, in 1938, reported the existence of the substance in minnows. The chemical is activated once a carrier has sustained attack or injury, alerting the others, causing them to exhibit an anti-predator response. The release of this chemical may contribute to the level of alertness that these fish exhibit regularly, even in a community aquarium. However, this particular aquarium has its own share of predators. The rosy-red minnow was discovered in 1985 in breeding farms in Arkansas. Once this colorful variation was acknowledged and bred, the rosy-red continues to be sold as aquarium pets, but are still used as feeders and as bait. Wild minnows, like the ones seen here, are often mixed in with the shipment. These social, active, and hardy fish are equally exciting to watch in the home aquarium, especially as the group exhibits schooling behaviors. Fathead minnows are egg layers. They can be bred in aquariums, with the male keeping watchful eye over the nest until the fry have hatched. The lifespan of these fish will vary between 2 and 4 years, depending on whether or not they have spawned. Most fathead minnows will die after spawning by the age of 1 year. Rosy-red minnows should be kept in groups of at least 5 or 6. They are relatively inexpensive. Ours cost only 15 cents each, so we tend to buy a little more. They are friendly overall, but may become territorial. The extent of their hostility ranges from chasing tank mates to ramming their head against them as opposed to fin nipping. Temperatures should range between 50 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal for breeding temperatures. The pH range should be between 7.0 and 7.5. The maximum adult size is 2 to 3 inches. Juveniles will reach 45 to 50 millimeters in length in 90 days after hatching. Their diet consists of algae, bottom detritus, including dead organisms and fecal matter, as well as zooplankton. They have no problem eating flake food.